Imagine if you could set up one thing, have it automate your entire process and pay you or even grow your YouTube channel and community online completely hands off. I'm going to deep dive into how I do it, how you can do it. There are no pad and pen. This is very important. You follow every step and you can start making money yourself or expanding your brand from today. So this is Gyre. This is a 24/7 live streaming tool. So instead of you having to sit there and manufacture engagement with your audience, you can create something, upload it, and have it continually play. This could be a back catalogue of your videos. For example, if you have a look at Simon Whistler, he's got mega projects, Into the Shadows, Decoding the Unknown. He's got a range of channels, but he routinely displays his infotainment videos in live streams. Alternatively, you could be a musician and you want to play your music on loop, or you want to try one of those lo-fi hip-hop study channels. These type of channels can earn thousands per month. But from my own personal experience, I can promise you and prove to you that I'm making at least $400 per month. And best of all, they set you up for success. They're there to help you increase engagement on your YouTube channel, get maximum views on places like Twitch with pre-recorded content, maximize your brand recognition. You can even live stream to places like Facebook. And most importantly, when it comes to places like YouTube, it can improve your watch time and retention rates. Now, I was running a kids channel for a period of time. I even got a silver play button for it. And what they did on a regular basis was stitch all of their episodes together and put them on a repeat. Now, as myself, as a father of 2 kids, I know that those type of YouTube channels are an absolute lifesaver if you need 5, 10, 20 minutes to go and quickly cook some lunch or visit the bathroom. It's completely hands off the tool, not bathroom visit. Best of all, you can start with a free trial. Once you've created your account, you log in. To start with, you'll be given a server. The server is where you upload your content to. This is under storage on the left-hand side, and you'll see here that I've got a few videos that I've uploaded already. Now, these can be individual videos that you upload, or you upload a load of individual videos, and then you can add it to playlists that will autoplay those videos back to back to back for you. That also means that you can extend that playlist at any time, even while live. So you'd create a playlist, give it a playlist name, you go back to the file page, you choose the files that you want to add to that playlist. So I'll add these 4, for example, and then I click playlists, choose that it goes onto the funny playlist and click add. Now in this case, it's warning me that they're not the same file format, which is perfectly fine. What I can now do is, see, all 4 of them are still ticked. These 2 have been optimized by Gyre and these 2 haven't. What that means is Gyre has compressed the file so it's smaller, set out the frame rate, so that means that it will stream without any issues. And if you want to help with that, you simply click the ones that you want to optimize and click optimization. It will then say here, like, video size, conversion, how much it costs in tokens, what platform you're optimizing it for, what format you're looking for it to be, whether it's horizontal, vertical, 30 frames per second, 4K, that kind of thing. So I'm going to choose horizontal 1080. Right, it will say the size of the optimized file. It will automatically give you a title, and you can even delete the original from storage if you so wish, once it's been optimized to save room. Okay, and then you say yes, the file will be saved in my storage, and I click start optimization. You'll now see here that the video file is being optimized, and when it's done, it will be placed back in here, and then you can add them to your playlists. Playlist, funny videos, add. Okay, the video's been added successfully, so now you can rearrange them by simply dragging and dropping. In the meantime, you can see the other 2 videos are here in converting. Now, to generate a live stream, go to the live stream on the left-hand side, you click Add Streams, you put in the name of the stream, the platform that you are looking to live stream to, you put in your stream key, and the video ID. If you want more in-depth example of how you do that specific section, there is a video down below. It's a dedicated video. You can then go to video, and you choose what video that you are live streaming itself. So that's either an individual video or a playlist. So we're going to do funny videos. Yes, these are the videos that are in that playlist. Once again, you can choose the order by dragging and dropping. Click save. You can now see that it's been added over here. I have a live stream that's already live, which is the 24/7 chill lo-fi beats in 4K. That belongs to my meditation channel. You can see it here. It's currently live. So the best thing about this is that the video is now live. In this case, it's Chill Beats. She's sitting there, she's studying, and not only is she racking up views and watch time for me, but she's also racking up AdSense for me. I can place anything I want in the descriptions as well. So therefore, this is my referral link to Gyre in itself, and I can sell ebooks and stuff like that alongside it. If you're not quite sure when you want to go live, you can also use the scheduling tool. So in this case, sleep music, event title, auto start at a specific time and date. It will then add it to the calendar. That way, once again, completely hands off if you want to switch out live streams. And interestingly, this is the part where I tell you how I make $400 per month from Gyre in itself. I use their affiliate scheme. So as you can see here, over the course of the last year, I've made $4,160. In the last 28 days, there's $426 there on hold, which will be paid out over the next 28 days. I make 17% commission on every sale that comes through their system. The best thing about this is it's recursive as well. So not only do I get 17% now when you sign up, but if you continue to pay on a monthly basis, I'll get a slice of that. And if you upgrade to another package as well, I'd get a slice of that. You generate your affiliate links here. You click add referral link. You choose whether it's a partner, so whether I'm referring you as someone that wants to sell this, or whether I'm selling you the specific product, right? That way you can either make money off of people making money, or you can make money off of people using the software in itself, and you know it's a good quality product because I'm using it for you. It will keep track of every sale for you and tell you when you're going to get paid. This, for example, is my last few payments and sales for the last 28 days. You can easily withdraw, whether it's to a PayPal account, you can be paid in crypto, or if you're already using the service as a customer, you can get paid in Gyre credit in itself. That way, you never have to pay for the service. And they even have a little breakdown of performance of how well the affiliate program has done for you recently. If you have any questions and need any help, there are usage guides, every single question that you could possibly think of to help you. And it also explains how the subscriptions work and how the affiliate process works. So as you can see here, for every person that you retain, the longer you retain them, the more you get paid, 10% per time. You can see where it upgrades as well. It even recommends for you. And it also shows you how if you bring other people in underneath you, you can earn a slice of their affiliate income as well. They offer some affiliate branding details as well, so you've got your logos if you want to use them in videos. There's a brand guide via Brand Fetch. It explains who they are, what they do, what fonts they can use, that kind of thing if you want to keep it in brand. And best of all, the more you sell, the more they will reward you. As you can see here, you can get up to 20% payout. So I'm currently at the VIP partner level, right? I haven't been comped for any of this, like they haven't jumped me up to VIP partner just because I'm promoting it. I've been promoting it, full stop. I use this. It's a tool that I like. I make money from it, and I want you to make money from it too.